With Ukraine's air defense widening in capability, having a lot of Western systems integrated with a few old and even self-invented ones, needing different capabilities and costs to effectively counter anything from ballistic missile, cruise missile, long-range striking drones, or a swarm of surveillance and FPV drones. With Ukraine's drone army taking up the mission to target many of Russia's surveillance and FPV drones to offer a cost-effective solution. While many hundreds are intercepted, it still lets thousands through, but helping to reduce Russia's drone presence, one drone at a time, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.